Are you looking for the best step ladders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best step ladders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HBTower Portable 3-Step Ladder. Climb up and reach for the stars with this 2021 upgraded step ladder. With a maximum load capacity of 500 pounds, it provides you with the security and stability you need. Its metal-safe buckle automatically locks in place and its back cross-brace structure reinforces the basic support, making you feel safe while climbing. Its non-slip design with wide pedals and rubber hand grip makes it easy to climb and carry. It's portable and space-saving, as it comes fully assembled and can be folded to just 1.6 inches for storage and transportation. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Get yours now and enjoy hassle-free warranty with 24-hour friendly customer service. What we like: sturdy construction, wide steps, easy to store, non-slip grip, fully assembled. What we don't like: higher bar would be safer. Number 2. HBTower 5-Step Ladder with Handrails. HBTower Handrail Ladder is a sturdy steel ladder that can hold up to 330 pounds. The ladder is 70.5 inches by 21 inches by 37.4 inches when opened and 74 inches by 21 inches by 9.25 inches when folded. It features a large tool platform to accommodate equipment, soft sponge-covered handrails for a comfortable and stable climbing experience, and non-slip rubber hand grips and wide pedals for safety. The ladder also has big rubber feet to prevent scratches on floors and a safety locking mechanism to ensure stability when in use. Assembly is easy and requires no extra tools. With a 1-year warranty and friendly customer service, HBTower Handrail Ladder is a great choice for homeowners, seniors, and professionals. What we like: sturdy and stable construction, easy to assemble, handrails for added safety, lightweight and portable, convenient tool tray. What we don't like: slightly heavier than expected, not as sturdy as commercial ladders. Number 3. HBTower 2-Step Ladder. The HBTower step ladder is designed for safety and convenience. Its innovative lock-free feature ensures stability by automatically locking in place when you push down the top pedal, allowing you to work confidently. The sturdy steel frame and anti-slip mats provide reliable support while climbing, giving you peace of mind. Its ergonomic sponge handle makes it easy to transport, whether you're reaching for high cabinets or organizing your closet. Plus, this ladder folds up neatly for easy storage, making it a practical addition to any home. What we like: easy to open and close, sturdy and secure design, slip-resistant steps, lightweight and portable, compact for storage. What we don't like: a bit challenging to collapse, can feel flimsy for heavier users. Number 4. HBTower 2-Step Ladder. The HBTower 2-Step Ladder is a reliable and sturdy step stool that provides you with good support and a sense of security. Its new lock-free design ensures stability without any shaking, making it safe to use. The ergonomic design, including a high-strength steel frame and non-slip mats on the steps, offers a strong grip, preventing slipping or accidents. This 2-step ladder is versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Its portable and space-saving design allows for easy storage, making it a perfect solution for any household. The ladder's anti-slip pedal and noise-free TPR feet provide a secure footing and prevent floor damage. With the HBTower 2-step ladder, you can confidently reach higher heights and complete tasks with ease. What we like: sturdy and lightweight, easy to assemble, compact storage, non-slip steps, great for high places. Number 5. Soctone Folding Step Stool. Get the extra height you need with the Soctone Folding Step Stool. This lightweight and sturdy steel ladder has a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds and features a top standing platform that boosts you 27.6 inches from the ground. The ladder has a safety lock design that ensures stability and security, while the non-slip rubber pattern on the wide pedals provides heel-to-toe foot support. The ladder folds down to just 2.7 inches for easy storage and transport, making it perfect for use in kitchens, pantries, bathrooms, offices, garages, and more. Plus, with a quality guarantee and 1-year warranty from Soctone, you can trust in the durability and reliability of this step stool. What we like: sturdy and durable design, easy to fold and store, comfortable wide steps, lightweight for easy transport, non-slip rubber feet. What we don't like: narrow footprint may tip over, top rail not extendable,